Great. So today we are going to talk about the best vegetable seeds to sow in August. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, August is a great time to get your hands dirty and grow some delicious veggies. So let's get started. The monsoon season provides ample moisture and temperature are just right for germination. So let's dive right in and see what you can plant this month. First up we have spinach. Spinach is a fast growing leafy green that's packed with nutrients. It's perfect for sowing in August as it thrives in the cool, moist soil provided by the monsoon rains. Next we have radish. These crunchy, peppery vegetables are easy to grow and can be harvested in just a few weeks. Radishes prefer well-drained soil and full sun, making August an ideal time to plant them. Another great option is carrot. Carrot needs loose, sandy soil to grow well, so make sure to prepare your garden bed accordingly. Sow the seeds directly into the soil and keep it constantly moist for the best results. If you are a fan of beans, August is the perfect time to plant French beans. They love the warm, moist conditions and will give you a bountiful harvest. Just make sure to provide some support for the plants to climb on. Let's not forget about broccoli. Broccoli thrives in cooler weather and August is a great time to start them for a winter harvest. Make sure to give them plenty of water and some shade during the hottest part of the day. Tomatoes are another excellent choice. Whether you prefer large slicing tomatoes or small cherry tomatoes, planting in August give them a head start for a long growing season. Potatoes can also be planted in August. They need loose, well-drained soil and a sunny spot. Plant the seed potatoes about 3 to 4 inches deep and keep them well watered. Capsicum or bell peppers are great for adding colors and flavors to your garden. They prefer warm soil and full sun, so August is a good time to get them started. Brinjal or eggplant is another vegetable to consider. These plants love the warm, humid conditions of the monsoon season. Cauliflowers are great for cooler weather and starting them in August means you'll have a good head start for the upcoming months. The classic cabbage. Sow cabbage seeds in August and watch as they develop into dense heads that are very delicious. Lettuce is another quick growing crop that can be planted in August. It prefers cooler weather and will thrive in the moist condition of the monsoon. Bottle gourd or lauki is a versatile vegetable that thrives in the rainy season. Plant the seeds in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. The vines need support to grow, so consider using a trellis. Coriander is a fast-growing herb that can be sown in August. It prefers well-drained soil and partial shade to full sun. Sow the seeds directly into the ground and keep the soil consistently moist. Nolkhol or kolarbi is a unique vegetable that does well in cool, moist conditions of August. Zucchini are perfect for monsoon seasons. They grow rapidly and will produce a bountiful harvest if planted now. Mustard greens are also a great addition, providing nutritious leaves for your meals. And there you have it. These are some of the best vegetable seeds to sow in August.